guess what day it is? It is the Subway Series, baby. And as you always know, it's raining.
My life be like my life be like.
So we are back at Yankee Stadium, and it is the Subway Series. And as you always know, it's raining at every game I go to. But we're gonna go inside and hope the Yankees kick some Mets butt and send them back to Queens. It's a 2-game series. We'll be here for 2 games. And let's get inside. The tarp is still on the field. It's still raining. I don't know if they've even started on time, but let's check it out and see. Let's go. Oh, they're closing the door on me.
It's just coming over, don't allow anything.
Oh, man. So the game is postponed?
The second we get here.
Damn. The game is postponed?
Sorry about that, guys. I waited so long at home.
Man, right at the door, too. So this is what's going on right now. So what's going on right now is that the Yankees have postponed the game right at the door when I was going to get in. Oh, man. I should have got hit earlier. I would have got in. But the game is postponed. I guess this vlog is over for now, huh? It's a short vlog, right? I guess. Man. Well, as the game is postponed, I want to say send all my blessings to Big Papi over there and tell him hope to get better, man. I know he's in critical condition but stable. And I'm sorry what happened to Big Papi David Ortiz down in Dominican Republic, man. And that's a damn shame that it happened in his own country, in his own town, you know, in front of family members. You know, so I want to give a big shout out to David Ortiz. Hope you feel better, buddy, and get better soon. And send my blessings, man. But this vlog is over. That's the people. Everybody's upset. People's at customer service right now, trying to get their tickets back. I don't know when this game is going to be played, but I'll have a ticket for it, and I'm going in. That sucks.